We've already walked from Mexico to Canada twice.
Now we're getting ready for our next big adventure.
This is how we're planning and preparing for our upcoming 4-month journey.
The first step is choosing a route. The U.S. has 11 national scenic trails. We've already completed 2 and we'll do a third this summer.
Next, we research historic weather data to choose the best dates for the trip. In early summer, some deserts might already be too hot and some mountains are still covered in snow.
After choosing a trail and a start date, we get to work building a spreadsheet with our entire itinerary.
We mail food to ourselves along the trail, so we need to know when, where, and how much food to send.
Next, we gear up with the specific trail and season in mind. This includes decisions like how warm our sleeping bags should be.
Soon it'll be time to dehydrate and assemble food. We'll mail over 100 dinners to stops on our itinerary.
We're still finalizing our route and we'll let you know in a few weeks.